Shambles is a noun that refers to a state of total disorder, chaos, or destruction. It can also describe a place that is messy, disorganized, or ruined. Origins. The word originates from Old English schemel, meaning stool or bench, and later referred to slaughterhouses where meat was cut and sold. Over time, it evolved to signify scenes of great mess or disorder. Explanation and usage. Shambles is commonly used to describe situations, places, or systems that are chaotic, poorly managed, or in ruins. It conveys a vivid image of disarray. Example sentences. After the storm, the once tidy garden was left in shambles. The team's strategy was in shambles after the unexpected turn of events. His room is such a shambles that it's impossible to find anything. In cultural significance, historically, the term referred to actual slaughterhouses which were associated with blood and disorder. Today, it is more metaphorical, often used in casual conversation to describe disorganized or chaotic scenarios. The synonyms: mess, a state of untidiness or confusion; chaos, complete disorder or unpredictability; ruin, a state of destruction or decay. Antonyms: order, a state of organization and neatness; tidiness, the quality of being clean and organized; harmony, a condition of balance and coordination. Key takeaway: shambles vividly conveys a sense of chaos or disorder, whether referring to a physical mess or a metaphorical breakdown in organization. It's a versatile word for expressing disarray in everyday life.